Sometimes don't force yourself to stay in a country they don't want you. If they are not comfortable with you, you have to make a plan to be in another country if you know that you are not comfortable to be in your country because of the economy. Because sometimes when you are forcing things to force yourself to be in South Africa, there is many things happening nowadays. Houses are being burned, shops are being burned. If you want to report the case at the police can tell you that they told you to leave South Africa at 30 June. So now when you are in a foreigner here in South Africa, you don't have power. You are not free sometimes because they can do whatever they want to do to you. You are a foreigner. You don't have anywhere to report. Whether you've got papers or you don't have papers, as long you are a foreigner. So sometimes don't force things, guys. If you have got that few money you can use, do something, find a way to go somewhere or to go back to your country. I think like that. But it's very good now to go back to your country to have got a fresh air than to force things. To say in South Africa there is jobs. Where are jobs nowadays? Because now there is no foreigner is being employed. Even the businesses are not working, so are not working for foreigners. So now, guys, each and everyone, they are making plans to leave South Africa because most of the people are not safe with their lives. So it's good when those people they say we are no longer want you. If in your country it's poor or what, but it's better for a now to leave. Next time find another country, guys, because it is not going to be end what I saw now. And paper two, when they came at the second time, it is going to be worse. So people, you have to careful, run with your life than being burned at that in the house. You have got fire and you have got kids. You leave your kids. Now your kids are being orphaned, especially women. Women, we have to take care of ourselves. If you still love yourself, you want to live a long life, leave this country. I don't want to lie because there is a lot of things. People will say 30 June will pass, but there is most of the things happening every day, each in every day. So it's very good when they say we don't want foreigners. Find another country, find somewhere to go. I think it is better than to stuck. When you know that you have got money for a now or you don't have money, it's better to go back to your country for a while and find another country. I think it's better than you want to stuck. You are forcing yourself, or there is some of the asylum seekers. You in South Africa, you are wasting your time to seek an asylum seeker.